All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be installing some hub spacers. The biggest reason why is a little tippy, but not bad, but that's not the main reason. The main reason is when I steer, you can see here, it binds up on that spring. So I figured if I kick them out further, we should be able to clear that. I got a new servo on here too, guys. It does so well. Like, that's one of the best mods I've done. I really recommend that servo mod. All you gotta do, guys, for this is take the wheels off, then just put these on instead of the factory hub, and then use these screws instead of the lug nuts. It's super simple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do one side real quick and see how that looks. I was just putting one on and I realized the hole's actually too small on these. So what I did was I just drilled that little lip out in there. You can see there's a lip. So I just drilled that lip out and then it slides on perfect. So these ones actually don't fit stock, so you have to drill them. To me, I don't really care. It might matter to you, so you might want to get a different set, but if you do get these, or the Enjora ones, you'll just have to quickly 2 seconds drill that little lip out and you'll be good as new. So we got one on. So you can see we just installed this side here and we're looking at the front end. Now if you look, this is the stock side. You can see how much it binds, like really binds. Now this side just clears it enough for me to be happy. So that is perfect. Exactly why I bought these. And you can see that side's bound up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the other side. Let's check our poke real quick, actually. So with the body on, you'll see how it looks. Boy, it looks pretty crazy. The whole wheel is like past the fender now. It's pretty wide, to be honest. Oh, there we go. That's better. Body wasn't on properly. Pretty wide though, but I'd like that. It's gonna give us a more stable stance, guys. And it's gonna help that steering. So let's finish the other side. Ooh, look at that stance. Just that little bit wider, and it looks really good. Nice fenders would look good on here, actually, some fenders. We got it figured out. We got them all on. I would highly recommend using some Loctite because I had these on my Redcat Gen 8 and they would fall out. They're a lot different than lug nuts. They don't have that that little ring inside them that keeps them tight. So you definitely want to throw some Loctite. I actually like the look of them. They look pretty cool, that little hex. And yeah, it looks so good. I'm so excited to take it on the trails and see what it can do. Let's check the steering again. Beauty right there. Crank it over. Perfect. All right. And that's going to do it, everybody. And if you want to check out the servo and a bunch of free mods, I have another video about this on the channel. And if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. We have lots of RC stuff on the channel and more to come. Thank you guys so much. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.